What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at these earbuds that you can use to take calls, still listen to your music, and don't have to worry about them getting dirty or damaged. So let's go ahead and open this up so we can get a look at it. So this is a close-up of the packaging that you can see that is well packaged. This is going to be a well-known brand. You see the earbuds in the case. You get your user manual, of course. And up under the earbuds, we have your USB-C to USB-A charging cable, so you can keep your charging case charged. And then in this box, you're going to have your earbud adjustments, so you can have the correct size. That way your earbuds don't slip out of your ear. So you can see all those different sizes there. All right, so this is going to be the earbuds. And one thing that I can say is I really like this case. It almost looks like a mini toolbox. So you have your USB-C charging input here. This is so you can keep this case charged. And once you lift up the case, boom, you have your earbuds there. You also have this LED indicator. This is going to let you know how much you have on your battery life on your case, and that way it keeps your earbuds nice and charged. And you can see how stylish these earbuds are. You have your plus and minus for your volume controls. You also have this button here. This way you can take and reject calls, or label for the right side, and also the connection for your charging. Once you take these out of the case, it's going to be ready for pairing, and you can easily get this paired to your device. Once you do that, you just put the earbuds on. They're really nice and comfortable, really nice and lightweight. This is going to be, once again, a multi-function button. So it has multi taps for you to power on, answer calls, and also play and pause tracks. And one cool feature is that if you're listening to your music and you take your earbud out, it will automatically pause. Once you put it back in, it would go ahead and resume where you left off. Another cool feature about the earbuds is that the battery lasts, it'll last you all day. You won't have to worry about charging this. You're looking at about 37 hours of continuous use of your earbuds. So these are going to be sweat-proof, waterproof, dust-proof. You can be in any environment and don't have to worry about these malfunctioning or getting dirty, getting wet. This is what it's made for, nice and rugged. They also sound really good. So for the style of these, they sound good. Another cool feature is that once you have these in, it kind of acts as a noise cancellation. So if you're on a loud job site, and could be a great value for you, because it's going to reduce some of that noise, and then you can listen to your music, take calls, no problem. And it has a nice clear microphone, so that way if you are in a noisy environment and you need to take a call, they will still be able to hear your voice versus the background noise. So guys, once again, these are going to be the wireless earbuds by DeWalt. I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.